Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Miss Chris, happy birthday.
Hi, Chris. Just want to greet you happy birthday.
Hi, Ate Chris. Happy birthday.
Happiest birthday to you, Ate Chris.
I'm very happy for you dahil sa dami ng blessings na nare-receive mo, you always never forget to share. Thank you very much for everything, for your friendship, for your love, for your sincerity.
I wish you the best. You're a great person, a great artist, a great mother. So, happy birthday.
Thank you for always guiding me as my tita. Lagi ka nandyan para sa akin. Thank you. I love you so much. Happy birthday.
No, there must be a reason why your birthday is on the exact day where we celebrate the Day of Hearts. Maybe that's because you know how to touch many and countless who watch you. So, Chris, that's my wish for you, that not just this one day, but this whole year and many more years to come, that you'll be able to continue to touch people where it counts the most, right here in their hearts.
Isa ka sa mga tinitingala ko at nire-respeto ko dito sa industriya. And thank you so much. Marami kami nagmamahal sa'yo.
Thank you so much for being my super ate sa buong time na nakilala kita, nandyan ka lagi.
I love you at sana magkita tayo soon and sana makapag-guest rin ka professionally. God bless you and more power. Mwah.
Kaya ngayon, as you celebrate your birthday, I celebrate you. I pray that you fall in love. Not today, not tomorrow, pero sa panahon na tama, ayon sa iyong pakiramdam at ayon sa kabaitan ng Panginoong Diyos. Continue to look forward to the best.
Working with Miss Chris Aquino is such a joy. Miss Chrissy, happy birthday!
Happy birthday to the woman who continues to be an inspiration to a lot of people, both in front and behind the camera. Dahil sa walang pagod mong pagpapasaya sa napakarami. Please continue to reach out and touch lives, Chris. And on behalf of the entire ABS production, isang magandang pagbati ng happy birthday. God bless you and your family.
Chris, maraming salamat sa araw-araw mong pagkumpleto sa umaganda ng bawat pamilyang Pilipino. With your warmth, wit, and wisdom, Chris TV has truly become the essential morning experience. At isa ako sa nakikipagdiwang sa kaarawan ng tinitingalang reyna, dakilang ina, at inspirasyon ng buong bayan. Sa ngalan ng lahat ng mga kapamilya mo rito sa ABS-CBN, happy birthday, Chris. May you have more kilig moments so that you can spread more love.
Christina, bilis ka naman talaga ng panahon. May higit 25 taong ka na palang nasa showbiz. Parang kahapon lang nung pinoproblema ng mami ang pagpasok mo sa industriya. Samantalang ikaw naman, ganadong sumali. Ang sabi ko, baka naman sa simula lang yan. Pero kitang-kita naman ang layo na ng narrative mo sa larangan ng media, mula pelikula, patalastas, hanggang talk shows. Sa puntong ito, may mga nagtatanong na siguro, may kailangan ka pa bang patunayan? Alam na mga katrabaho mo kung gaano ka katatag. At siguro nga, kasama na rin sa nagpatibay sa iyo ang mga tinaanan ng pamilya natin. Di ka pa yata natutong maglakad ng indirekta ang martial law. Pagsubok sa pamilya, lungkot ng pagkakawalay kay daddy, at ang kaba na dala ng madilim na kabaratang yun. Ang mga ito ang agad na kinagisnan mo. Siyempre, habang lumalaki, meron din tayong mga hindi pagkakaintindihan. At ikinagagalak kong naresolbahan natin ito. Kailangan ko rin sabihin, tuwang-tuwa ako sa ipinapakita mong pagmamahal at pag-aaruga kina Josh at Dindy. Talagang malinaw na sa kanila nakasentro ang buhay mo. Pero di lang kami at ang iyong mga anak ang itinuturing mong kapamilya. Pinipili mo pang hindi isa publiko, hayaan mong magpasalamat ako sa ngalang ng bawat Pilipinong nangangailangang tinutulungan mo. Ngayong patuloy kang namamayagpag sa napili mong karir, wala akong ibang hangad sa iyo, kundi ang patuloy na kaligayahan. Sa nalalabi pang panahon sa mga buhay natin, mangyari na mangyari. Asahan mong kaming pamilya mo narito lagi sa iyong tabi. Sa ngalan ng lahat ng mga tagahanga mo sa loob at labas ng bansa na aking nakahalubilo, na nagpasabing Paki-regards kay Miss Chris. Buwabati kaming lahat ng isang maligayang kaarawan.
Bongga, thank you very, very much. I want to thank everybody who was there, pero yung kay Kim at kay Madge, thank you kasi parang sa kanila talaga, I could remain friends with both, and I can love both in my own way. So thank you very, very much. Coco, love you too. Kasi kapatid namin si Coco, yun ang totoo talaga. Adopted Aquino yan. So everybody else who greeted me, but most especially our bosses, I'm so sikat. Tinawag akong Reyna ni Ma'am Charo. Yes! And Kenoy, can I just say na yung the biggest blessing in my life is he understands how busy this work is. And yun, naiyak ako every time sinasabi ko na Josh texts him every time I have to be out of town to go out to say, Tito Noy, can we stay with you? And with no hesitation, he drops everything para at night they have dinner together and he sees them tucked into bed. Parang, ano pa bang mahihingi ko? So, thank you so, so much for the love that you shower me. Yung sinasabi nyo kanina na, yung Gary, ang ganda nung sinabi mo, yung purpose kung bakit, kasi yung to share love and yun nga, yung you give me that, you give me that privilege po, na araw-araw hinahayaan nyo ako to be a part of your lives. Actually, mali si Noy. Nagbilang ako doon sa 27 years. From the time I first did a commercial and had my own show. So, yung for those 27 years, maraming salamat po. But of those 27 years, 18 years have been spent here on ABS-CBN. Kaya thank you.
At saka tama talaga yung sinabi ni Mr. Gary V na si Miss Chris, tama talaga na pinanganak siya ng February 14. Kasi siya ang icon of love.
No, icon Sige,
yes.
okay.
At dahil icon ka of love at maraming nagmamahal sa'yo, let's call in your friends who are in the studio. We have JC Buendia, Sam Pamintuan, and Eric Benito.
Wow! Ba't ka naka-shorts ba? Mag-TV ka. Hi, Eric. Thank you.
Pasabog, may pa-cupcake.
Happy birthday.
Tsaka may pasabog. Wait, Sam, kunin mo naman yung bigay ni Vice. Nandun, sobrang bongga nung cake ni Vice. Sam, kunin mo yung kay Vice.
Baka naman hindi
Love you, Eric.
hindi mabubuhat.
Yan po.
Happy birthday.
O yung mga yung mga sinabi niyong mga labas goiter na damit, siya po yung responsible, siya yung stylist nun, si Eric Benito. Pero yung mga sobrang wala na yun, tapos na. Oh my God! From Vice, tinan mo, pinagawa niya. Ang ganda. Cute, no? Sana close up natin. Direct Eric, one of my dearest friends. Show it. Okay. Thank you muna. My PNG family, Petron Gasul. My Globe family na LTE ng Signal. I love you. Hindi na ako napapahiya. Hindi na ako inaaway sa Twitter. To my Bello family, she gave me the most fabulous teapot, si Dr. Vicky. Oh my God, yes. My Nestle family, Philinvest, maraming salamat. San Marino, and very special thank you for the billboard also. Fiesta Noodles and RFM, thank you. Bench, maraming salamat. UNHCR, Lucky Me, Solmux, Union, thank you po sa inyong lahat.